Yeah, man. The heavens speak a language of glory without words, yet all creation here. Psalm 19, for the sky above and the law within, let Jah be praised. The heavens declare the glory of Jah, and the firmament show His handiwork far. Day unto day utter speech divine, night unto night reveal design. There is no voice, there is no tongue, yet the message go across every nation, line to line. Their sound is known in the world, just set them throne. He set a tabernacle for the sun above, like a bridegroom rising up with love, rejoicing like a strong man for him race. From one end to the other it shine with grace. Nothing is hid from the heat thereof. Creation blaze with eternal love. But greater still the law of Jah, perfect and pure, sweeter than star. The law of the Lord is perfect and true, restoring the soul like morning dew. The testimony of Jah is sure and wise, make even simple man realize. The precepts of Jah are right and bright, rejoice in the heart with holy light. The commandment pure, it opened the eyes. Fear of Jah clean, it never died. Judgments of Jah righteous and real, more to be desired than gold or steel, sweeter than honey from comb so fine, keeping them bring reward divine. Who can discern all error and sin? Cleanse thy Jah from secret within. Hold back thy servant from proud way, let not sin rule me soul today. Let the words of my mouth and meditation of my heart